7 advantages of Aston Martin. The car that redefined luxury, Aston Martin, a name that resonates far beyond the world of cars. It's not just a brand, it's a symbol of elegance, power, and British craftsmanship. From the silver screen to the streets of Monaco, Aston Martin turns heads and captures hearts. But what makes it truly special? These are the 7 key advantages that set Aston Martin apart, and why it's more than just a car. 1. Iconic design. Every Aston Martin is a piece of rolling sculpture. With its sleek silhouette, aerodynamic lines, and unmistakable grille, it exudes timeless beauty. Whether it's the legendary DB5 or the fierce DB12, Aston Martin designs aren't just built, they're crafted. These cars don't just drive, they pose. 2. Thrilling performance. Don't let the refined look fool you. Beneath that elegant hood lies pure power. Twin-turbo V8s, monstrous V12s. These engines roar with authority. Acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in mere seconds. Razor-sharp handling and balanced suspension. Aston Martin delivers performance you can feel in your chest and control with your fingertips. 3. Luxurious interior. Step inside, and you're in another world. Hand-stitched leather, real wood trims, brushed metal, and a cabin that feels more like a 5-star lounge than a sports car. Every surface is crafted to perfection, offering both comfort and style. This is not just a place to sit, it's a space to indulge. 4. Cutting-edge technology. While Aston Martin honors its heritage, it embraces the future. Advanced infotainment systems, touchscreens, voice control, driving modes, and driver assist features combine old-world charm with high-tech innovation. It's luxury connected. 5. A legacy of greatness. Founded in 1913, Aston Martin has spent over a century building its legend. Victories at Le Mans, appearances in James Bond films, and a lineage of hand-built masterpieces. This is more than history. It's a living legacy. When you own one, you're not just buying a car, you're inheriting a story. 6. Rarity and exclusivity. Emma. Unlike mass-market brands, Aston Martin produces vehicles in limited numbers. Every model is rare, every detail deliberate. This exclusivity makes each Aston a collector's dream and a powerful statement. You're not just driving something fast, you're driving something few ever will. 7. The prestige. An Aston Martin doesn't scream for attention, it commands it. It's not just a mode of transport, it's a symbol of taste, success, and personality. Owning one isn't about wealth, it's about presence. When an Aston Martin arrives, silence falls, heads turn, and admiration begins. Crafted with passion, powered by excellence, and wrapped in legend, Aston Martin isn't just a car, it's an experience, a dream in motion. So if you ever find yourself behind the wheel of one, remember, you're not just driving, you're making history.